Hi, hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I make my rice water and how I also use it. Before that, let me tell you the benefit of using rice water. I got some list here guys, so let's do it. The benefit using rice water: make your hair grow faster, repair damaged hair, make hair shine, straighten hair, and help stop split ends. So using rice water on your hair make the protein in the rice grow your hair really faster. Girls, so let's do it. Well, just take any measurement of rice you want. I got my here already. So you need a plastic bowl, but today I'm going to use the glass because I want to cover it and leave it about 30 minutes. So I'm going to pour the rice inside. You can see it inside. So I'm going to pour with warm water. I'm going to pour warm water inside. So leave it about 30 minutes. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to leave it about 30 minutes. You can see it's already changing color. So stay tuned, girls. 30 minutes later, this is how it looks like. Now I need my plastic bowl and also my filter. This is the water. This is the rice water. I will be using it to rinse my hair. My hair is very dry. He's saying I need some food. I have to give us some food. So let's do it, girls. Well, this is how I use rice water on my natural hair. So you tell me, how do you make your rice water? How do you use it also in your natural hair? So please, if today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. subscribe for more videos. If you have any question, just leave a comment in the description box below, and see you next time in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.